How cool would it be to have a house with a hidden gun safe that doubles as a storm shelter? Well, this house has it. This is unlike any other house I've ever seen in Prosper, especially in Star Trail. Let's take a look at the outside. This was actually builder owned, so you know that the builder meticulously took care of it. We got a 2-car garage over here, and off to the left you have a single car garage. There's a split 3-car garage building. Now, most buyers in this price range would think, well, it's a $1 million house in Prosper. What's so special about it? I'll show you every part of this house and wait until you see the backyard. This house is certainly one of a kind. I know most homes in this $1 million price range are extremely unique, especially here in North Texas, especially in Star Trail. But I must show you this house. So as we come in, we have this little foyer area. And on the other side, we have a private media room. Nice and dark. Perfect for any movie night. You can see a sound bar there. Huge TV. I don't know if you can see the little black thing there. And here, that's going to be part of the 5.1 surround sound system. Extremely immersive video experience. It's a nice shelf, ordinary shelf. Now here is going to be the living room. Now the living room is not, they didn't go over the top with the living room, but they did make it look extremely elegant. Nice, clean cabinet design, floating shelves with some ornaments, photos, whatever you like. And I love the little touch of greenery to just give it some life. You have a TV up high. There's a fireplace below. When it's winter, it'll keep this whole area warm. But for the rest of the year, it just is nice to look at. You can enjoy time with friends. You could chit chat. You could read a good book, watch a good show. You could do so much here. Over here is going to be the kitchen. Now, just like most homes, this kitchen is at the heart of the house, as I think every kitchen is. What's really neat about it is you have dual ovens and then a microwave up top. But paired with that is a 6-burner stove. That is a lot of cooking that you could do in one time, at one go. Everything here flows super smoothly. I believe this is granite. I will confirm. I believe this is granite. I have a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet space, excuse me. And you do also have a lot of counter space here and here. Got a dishwasher, very deep farm sink. And you come in, you have your bread, air fryer area, and a very, very big pantry. Definitely has enough room to put everything that you need in here. And the ceilings, in case you're wondering, are between 12 and 14 feet throughout the house. Might be 10 in certain areas, but here, they're definitely a lot higher than 10 feet. Full-size fridge. Oh, and there's also a lot of cabinet space below the bar. That is fantastic. From this dining room, there's plenty of light coming in on all 3 sides. We can see the star of the house, the backyard. Let's take a look at that. Oh wait, before we do that, let's take a look at the primary and then let's come back to it. So this primary bedroom definitely has plenty of space. It's one of those that you just walk in and you know this is the owner's suite. I rarely use that term, but this really doesn't. Full king-size bed, 2 nightstands, armoire, room for the puppy, and a great view of the backyard, which I'll take you out to in a little bit. For the primary bath, we have a very, very large tub. Have an oversized shower with granite on the side, dual vanities, and they're split, which is really, really cool. You don't see split vanities too often. But not only are the vanities split, the closets are split too. So here we have the his closet and the hers closet. I don't know how much clothes can be put in here, but I will tell you, I'm gonna have some issues filling up this closet, any one of these. Even my wife, she's really good. But I know some people have a ton of clothes. This is gonna be one that can accommodate every one of your needs. Oh, what is behind this door? Of course, the linen closet. Now, right outside of the primary, it's going to be this really, really big private office. Now, this house actually has two offices. This is one of them, and this is currently used as an office. So here, set up as a desk, office, everything. And here is going to be a nice little reading area, just for you to relax, enjoy, and it also works as a really good background for a Zoom call. Some little nice architectural features up here. And of course, a great view of the pool outside. Speaking of the pool outside, what's in between us and the pool is actually a really cool door system. It's an accordion door. So what you do is just push it, and it simply collapses to become just about gone. Only the size of one of those panels. Look at that. Super nice. It opens up this space completely. And when you do step outside, you have a very beautiful patio area that is designed for the Texas heat or the Texas cold. And for the Texas mosquitoes, come with me over here. Grab this off the wall. You just hit down. And the mosquitoes are out. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer, perfect for just about any weather. Very nice. Press it, go straight up. Let's put this back and take a look at the salted pool. So I don't know if y'all been in a salted pool before. Let me know in the comments below. But salted pools are really nice. They just feel comfortable to be in. They look the same as a regular pool. Upkeep's a little different. The materials used are also a little different. But the thing about a salted pool is it gives you extra buoyancy. So you actually float more. And this one is massive. I don't know how deep this is. I might find out a little bit later. I'll get my swimsuit on. But this is a very, very large, very deep, well-designed pool. Now this whole section, the pool, the little pump section over here, that fireplace that we're gonna go to. Let's go there now. And the barbecue pit and the putting green all together cost the owner about $200,000 to install. And he was a builder, he is a builder, and he built this house for himself, his family. You know that he did everything right, and you know that he really was meticulous in how he designed it. Take a look at that. This is natural gas. So when the wind's blowing, it's going to flicker, go back and forth, but it's going to always come back to life. Here, we have a very beautiful, simple outdoor barbecue area with a picnic area as well. Outdoor fridge, smoker. This is built in. Ooh, there's a bug flying at me. This is a built-in barbecue. And on the other side of the barbecue is going to be a little putting green. Now, the owner was really excited to share with me that this whole area here and these little flower beds here, I should say vegetable garden, is all auto irrigated. So you can see it's wet here. They have it designed so that it's on a timer. It goes off on its own. You don't have to do anything to it. And the owner's daughters are super cute. They put little fairies in here. Little garden fairies and squirrels. That's not something that you see every day. Have a look at that. This is such a beautiful backyard. I don't want to show you the rest of the house. All right, I'm kidding. I got to show you. Come on, let's go. Come out here, back into the living room. Let's close this. This is actually very easy to pull, very light, not heavy at all. But what I notice is as soon as you close it, you don't hear anything from the outside, like at all. Completely quiet. So very, very good. All right, going back to the other part of the house. So this is a 4-bed, 3.5-bath house. I already showed you the primary bedroom, so that's the main one. And here is a secondary office. Now, it's not used as an office, of course. It's a lot bigger than the last office we just saw, but they have a setup where you have a workout area. You have all your gym equipment. Texas flag, gotta have that in Texas. And of course, the kids have their own little play area as well. So it doubles as a playroom and also as a workout room. Now, if both of you work from home, this would be a perfect second office situation where somebody works here, the other one works over there, and you will not affect one another. Now, if you recall, this house had 2 garages, a single garage and a double garage. So this is going to be the single garage. Could also be used as a storage room if you don't have 3 cars. But I think this is really neat. After you come in from there, we have our second bedroom. We have 2 really cute little girls here. She is a Wildflower. And I did get the chance to meet them when I was coming to film this place. They're just adorable little girls. So this bedroom and the next bedroom have a Jack and Jill bath, a million bow ties that do not come with the house, but everything's negotiable in real estate. And you have another bedroom right here. And I think that sun is so adorable. Look at that. Now these rooms are actually a lot larger than a normal room. So first of all, they're tall. This is a queen size bed, so you'll have enough room for a king size if you have that. Or if you're thinking of putting 3 twins in, you can. I don't know why you would, but you can. And let's take a look at the closet space before we go out. Cute little boots. Goes all the way up. I would say 10, 12 feet high. Somewhere around there. Very nice. Very cozy for sure. Now this is the coolest bedroom of them all. Like I said, this is a 4-bed, 3.5-bath house. But this house, this room, excuse me, has a little ensuite bath. So it could double as an in-laws house or a guest little apartment where you want, if they're staying here, like some relatives, some friends, you want to give them some privacy, well, you got it. This is also oversized, actually larger than the other bedroom that we just saw. And it could also be used as a little place to film stuff if you're a YouTuber or you do things online. Super, super cool. Engineered hardwood floors throughout. And this here is a little half bath. So what I'm trying to say is these owners, not only did they build a house, they know what they're doing. They put a lot of heart into it. And I would say they really took great care of it, which is so important. This is the double garage. That's a tankless water heater over there. Electric panel, all that good stuff. And they're really, really lived in the house, but you can see that this house was built so well. It's in excellent condition. Nice mud bench. Now, we covered everything. 3,469 square feet, 1.25 million, 4-bed, 3.5 baths. But I did mention there was a secret room. So where is that? Well, it's not here in the living room. Definitely not outside. Not here. Oh yeah, that's right. It is here. Have this little button, press it. Hear a click. And this is your own private little gun safe if you want it to be used as that. That's what the previous owner did. Or you can use it as a storm shelter. He built this so it's fire retardant and also completely hidden. Now, if anybody were to be inside, like kids or whatever, and they get stuck, well, don't worry. Press this button. That will deactivate. And they could walk right out. If the electricity were to go out, there's an automatic system where it will also cancel this as well. But if nobody knows about it and you close it, well, it's just hidden away. Just a regular shelf. So this is definitely one of the cooler homes in Star Trail. And I've seen a lot of homes in this area. I've seen a lot of homes in Prosper. But this Star Trail house definitely has something special about it. That was such a cool house to tour. And honestly, it's so big, I didn't know where to start. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you're interested to know more about homes in Prosper or in North Texas in general, please reach out to me. My information will be in the description box below. And if you're curious about your home's value or simply would like to know more about this house or any other house in Texas, shoot me a DM and subscribe for more home tour videos. This has been Emilio, and I'll see you in the next one.